Welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to book a ride on InDrive. So first thing you have to do is open up the InDrive app. Make sure you have set up the InDrive app, and if you don't know how to do that, go to my channel and you're going to see how to use and set up InDrive app. So let's get right into the video. So first thing you have to do is make sure your location is on so you can locate where you are from and where you are going to. So you can see my location right here. So where am I going to? They're going to ask you. So you put in the location where you are heading to and make sure you select the correct place. So let's say we click on this and they're going to tell you how long it's going to take. You can see 23 minutes, and you can also see the price of ride, and you can see the recommended fare. It's not like that's the price, that's the recommended fare. And you can see where it says auto accept offer of 4,000, but you can see where it says find offer. Click on find offer and you're going to see this is where your pickup points will be. So you can confirm your pickup points, or you can still try to edit the pickup points. But once you're done with that, click on apply and you're going to see apply right here, and you can see some drivers are viewing my request and a lot have popped on. So you can actually just pick any rider of your choice. You can also see the car's name and also the name of the driver. So you can just choose to click on accept. Once you click on accept like this, the number is actually you're going to see this right here. The person might just call you, or you can choose to actually drop a note for the person. You can see it right here, the person is calling already. So I'm just going to decline, and you can see contact driver right here. So you can just actually type in where you're going to, or just dial in 1 or 2. You also see the safety right here. You can share your ride with anybody if you wish. So this is literally how to book a ride on InDrive. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see my next video. Bye.